Hello students. In my previous video I told you that in the next video we are going to learn about the countable and the uncountable nouns. Okay. You can check also that in chapter number that is frogs at school, chapter number 6. In this one grammar exercise is there based upon the countable and the uncountable nouns. Okay. So first of all, again just recall that what is a noun. Noun means that is the naming word, name of any person, place, animals, or the thing that is called as a noun, or any idea or suggestions also there. Now, as people have read about the kinds of noun, isn't that's a common noun, proper noun, collective, and the abstract noun. Now, along with that, two more kinds of noun are there, that's a countable and the uncountable nouns. So now, can you see here in the picture apples? Isn't can you see here apples? One apple, two apple. One apple, two apples. So we can count it, isn't it? Means that this is countable. Here tiger, one tiger is here, two can also be there, or three can also be there, or single can be, but tiger, this is the countable, means we can count it. Can you see here rose? Isn't here it's single, it can be two also, three also, four also, or more in number, isn't so it means that this also we can count, and this is also a countable noun. So now let's start. What's a countable noun? That's a nouns that can be counted are called as a countable noun. It's very simple to memorize. What is a countable? Countable means the things which we can count. Okay, nouns that can be counted. Nouns that can be counted are called as a countable nouns. For example, you can take, as I told you, apples. Isn't one, two? We can count it. Isn't it? Means that this is a countable noun. Tiger, here only one is there, so we can also count it. This is also a countable. Rose, this is also one, but we can count it, isn't? This is also countable. Now, just tell me, can you count this one? Isn't? Can you count? Something is lying here, maybe water or anything. Can you count this oil? Can you count the milk? No, we can't count it. Okay, and one more thing which you have to remember about the countable noun, that countable noun, it can be singular also or plural also. Okay, for example, two in number, two apples in number, this is a plural one. One rose, one tiger, this is the singular form of the countable noun. So what is the countable noun? Things which we can count in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So those things will come under the countable nouns. And countable noun, they can be singular also or the plural also. Okay. Now come to the next one, that is the uncountable nouns. So the uncountable nouns are such nouns that cannot be counted, which cannot be counted. Okay, and these include the things and feelings which cannot be counted. So uncountable noun, they include such kind of things which we cannot count. For example, can you see here water is splitting here? Can we count? No. Can you count this oil? No. Isn't? Because it is considered as a whole together. We can't count it in a number. Can you count it? 1, 2, 3 like this? No. So it means that this is uncountable. The things which we can count, that is countable. Which we cannot count, that is uncountable. Okay. And one more very important thing, that uncountable noun, we usually consider them as a singular. We consider it as a singular only. Okay. In countable we have read that it can be singular also like this or plural also. Okay, but the uncountable nouns, we consider them as a singular. Can see the example here: oil, water, bravery, like this, juice, or sugar is there, isn't like this. So now let's see the exercise, then it will become more clear to you. Can you see here the next exercise in your book? It is given, in the following sentences some nouns have been underlined. Write C for the countable and U for the uncountable nouns. So can you see here some questions? Here some nouns are underlined and you have to write down C for countable and U for the uncountable nouns. See the first one. The girls are very intelligent. Girls. You can count the girls, no? So this is the countable noun. So for countable you have to write here C. Then see the next one. May I have my coffee without sugar, please? Can you count the sugar? No. We can't say 1 sugar, 2 sugar like this, isn't it? So this is a uncountable noun. So you have to write here U. I like to drink water. Water, can you count it? No. So this is also uncountable noun. You have to write simply here U. I have read all these books. Books we can count, isn't it? So this is the countable noun. Please don't waste electricity. Can we count electricity? No, because it's a form of energy. We can't calculate that. We can't count it, isn't it? So this is also uncountable. Okay, some more questions I'll give you in the same manner to identify it, that whether it's a countable or the uncountable. Okay, so for that time being, just please go through this video, try to understand it and do this exercise in your book. So thank you and have a good day.